Gases and its mass. Our objective is to prove that gases have the following properties: mass, volume, temperature, and pressure. The materials that we needed are 2 rubber balloons, a balloon pump, and a digital weighing scale. Procedure: first, measure the mass of the deflated balloon using a digital balance with a 0.01 precision. Second, inflate the balloon and seal the opening by securely twisting and looping the end. The third, measure the mass of the inflated balloon using a digital scale. And last, do 3 trials and record your data. On our first trial, we measure the mass of the first balloon. It weighs 3.25. Then when we inflated the first balloon, it weighs 3.28. Air has mass. Inflated balloon is much heavier than the deflated balloon because we added air to the balloon. On our second trial, we measured the mass of the second balloon and it weighs 2.83. Then when we inflated the second balloon, it weighs 2.88. It is the same as the second trial, the inflated balloon, because we added air into it. On our third trial, we measured the mass of the third balloon and it weighs 2.83. Then when we inflated the third balloon, it weighs 2.97. Again, it is the same as the first one. When the balloon was added with air, it became heavier. The average mass of the 3 deflated balloon is 8.94. The average mass of the 3 inflated balloon is 9.13. Questions: is the mass of the deflated balloon is different from the mass of the inflated balloon? Is the mass of the deflated balloon is different from the mass of the inflated balloon? The answer is yes, because the deflated balloon has no air while the inflated balloon has air. And remember, air has mass. Then what we use to inflate the balloon is oxygen, not a balloon pump that inflates it with helium, which oxygen weighs more than helium. And according to our research, that the average atomic mass of helium is 4.00 and the average atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So we can see that oxygen is heavier than helium. Question number 2. Which is heavier, the inflated or deflated balloon? And why? The answer is inflated. Inflated balloon is much heavier than deflated balloon because the inflated balloon has air. Remember that the air that we use here is oxygen, which is heavier than helium. Conclusions: every matter, solid, liquid, and even gas in the universe have masses.